In a coordinated operation led by the Assam Police Special Task Force STF with support from Kerala and the West Bengal Police, a major terror module linked to a global terrorist organization was dismantled. 8 individuals, including a Bangladeshi national, were arrested under Operation Purgat, targeting anti-national activities guided by MD Farhan Israq, an associate of Ansarullah Bangla team chief Jaisamuddin Rahmani. MD Saad Radi, a Bangladeshi national sent to India in November 2024 to spread extremist ideology, was arrested in Kerala. Arrests were also met in Assam and West Bengal, including Minarul Sheikh and MD Abbas Ali in Murshidabad and 6 others across Kokrajhar and Dhubri. Meghalaya will participate in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 8th Pariksha Pe Charcha set for January 2025 at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. The initiative allows students to address examination anxiety through direct interaction with the Prime Minister. State Project Director Swapnil Tambe emphasized the importance of this opportunity for the state schools. Meghalaya has actively participated in past editions with students like Langsong Ding Kuptong from Sen Advanced School and Owen Karsawan from Sulai Progressive School, engaging with the Prime Minister in the year 2023. The film Pushpa 2 The Rule has crossed a massive 1,450 crore milestone at the global box office in just 14 days. The film, starring Allu Arjun and directed by Sukumar, has shattered records and continues to perform exceptionally well. Allu Arjun's immense star power and the creative partnership with Sukumar have contributed to the film's unprecedented success. At least 100 North Koreans deployed to fight for Russia against Ukraine in war have been killed since entering combat in December, South Korean lawmaker Lee Seong-kyum stated. The National Intelligence Service also reported that the number of injured is expected to nearly reach 1,000, Lee added. Approximately 10,000 North Korean troops were recruited by Russia to fight in Ukraine. India and Pakistan would visit each other for ICC tournaments till 2028, Jay Shah-led ICC announced today. India and Pakistan's matches and events to be hosted in India or Pakistan till 2028 will be played at neutral venue proposed by the tournament host, ICC added. The ICC further said it will announce schedules for Champions Trophy 2025 very soon.